If you're looking for the best trading platform in 2025, chances are you've come across Interactive Brokers and Webull. Interactive Brokers, or IBKR, is designed for serious traders who need global market access, advanced charting, professional order types, and some of the lowest margin rates in the industry. It's especially powerful if you're trading options, futures, or international stocks. On the other hand, Webull is a great choice for beginners and active retail traders. It's commission-free, mobile-first, and very user-friendly, offering clean charts, paper trading, and even a social community. Webull shines if your focus is mainly USS, stocks, ETFs, and options, and you want a sleek, simple app. The trade-off is clear. IBKR has a steeper learning curve, but unmatched tools and global reach, while Webull is easier to use but less powerful for professional traders. So, if you're a global, high-volume, or advanced trader, Interactive Brokers is likely your best bet. If you're just starting out or want a straightforward platform for everyday trading, Webull might be the smarter choice. Which one do you prefer in 2025, IBKR or Webull? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more finance breakdowns.